frustrated with odor elimination products that claim to eliminate odor caused by pet urine or feces, spoiled food, perspiration, or even a skunk? Have you noticed these so-called odor eliminators don't actually eliminate the odor?
I'm John Davidson. I desperately needed to find an odor elimination product that permanently eliminated odor. So I bought and tested every odor elimination product I could find. To my amazement, not one permanently eliminated the odor. I became so frustrated testing product that didn't work that I went into my lab and developed one that actually did. I named it SCOE 10X. SCOE stands for Super Concentrated Odor Eliminator. 10X because it's a 10 times concentrate. There are 5 very important things I want you to know about SCOE 10X. SCOE 10X works or it's free. That's right, it works or it's free. That's my personal guarantee to you. SCOE 10X is completely non-toxic. It is so safe it can be used directly on your pet or on your skin. SCOE 10X is fragrance-free. No perfumes or fragrances are added. SCOE 10X is a green product, biodegradable and safe to use on plants or vegetation. SCOE 10X is not sold in stores. It can only be purchased online at SCOE10X.com or by calling our toll-free order line. I guarantee SCOE 10X permanently eliminates odor, but don't take my word for it. Go online to read the over 600 incredible reviews written by actual verified SCOE 10X customers telling their story how SCOE 10X successfully eliminated their problem odor. SCOE 10X, it works or it's free.